Welcome to my channel, Make Learning a Joy. Hi friends, today I'm gonna make clay at home. I'll show you the ingredients which are required and name them. Rice flour, shampoo and some colors and a little bit of oil. Now I am pouring the shampoo to the rice flour. It's so good texture. And mix well. It's such squeezy thing. The shampoo is such squeezy. It's not coming the texture. Put 3 colors, red, yellow and white. Now let's see the final clay color. Mixing the colors. From my hand on my ankles. I don't know what is happening. Now I'm adding little brown also. I'm adding some water. And mix well. Texture, very texture to gaya. And add little more rice flour. Now I got a nice texture and peach. This is a perfect texture and a color which I wanted. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching my video.